Hey everybody, so I have a Dollar Tree craft and stationery haul, and I will show you what I grabbed. I've been to Dollar Tree a few times, and each time I went I just grabbed an item here, an item there, and I just put it all together, and I want to show you what I have. Okay, so they have these diamond filler little pieces here, so I grabbed two of those, and they're slightly different colors. I use these for I have some art stuff that I use these in, and also when I make shakers, and sequins mixes, so I put these in there. Okay, so they have slightly different colors. These are the only two colors that I saw. Alrighty, so I got this is for these little vials here are for the little shaker mixes when I add my freebies. So I have those, and then I got some tags. These are new to me. Okay, now I got plenty of tags. I can make a tag, but these are already made for you, and I like to put these in junk journals and art journals and things like that, and in ephemera packs and stuff like that. So I got the white color, cardstock color, and then the craft color. So these were, I think, $1. Might have been $1.50, y'all. I don't know. Some of the stuff was $1.25 and some stuff was $1.50. All right, and then there's this one thing I did get for $5. Now these, I will show you these. They're calling these coupon holders, y'all. Okay, coupon holders. Okay. Well, I bought these. They've had these at Dollar Tree for quite a long time, on and off or whatever. So I used to just take these and put stickers and stuff in them, when I previously. And they had different colors when they first came out with them, like yellow and other colors. So these are the only colors that they had. And I got a black one, okay, the black shiny one. So they're like, they're like little pockets. You can put your stickers in here. And little things like this. You can slide ephemera in there, and you can put this in your journal, okay, or have it on the side for your journal. So what I did was, well, here, let me show. This is the pink one. So the pink is there, all the same, just different colors, all right. So that's what it looks like. Now I think I'm gonna put the black one in here. So let me do that. Let me show you the rest of the stuff, and then I will put the black one in there in my journal thing. Okay, so I did get 3 of those. I only saw these because I went to 2 different Dollar Trees. And I only saw these initially, and then I went to the second location. I found the black one. So I thought, well, you know what? I got a ton of journals, so I might as well just get extra, All right, so now this set was $5, and no, I did not need it, but I wanted it. I have seen these at Dollar Tree. The Dollar Tree has new journals out, y'all. There are 3 different sizes. Okay, there's, let's see, a 5x7 inch, a 7x8 inch, and an 8x10. Okay, size journals, and they all say different things on them on the front. Okay, these say dream big. What does it say? I can't even read that. Chase rainbows and be the magic. Okay, I was trying to decide if I wanted this one. They had a black, like a white and a pink set. I don't know, maybe I should have got that one. I don't know. I have, I like colors, so I wanted some bright colors, so I got these 3. Again, I don't need these journals at all, but I got them. But for $5 for 3, that's not bad, just little writing journals or whatever. They just lined little line journals. You see the lines in there? Okay, that's what they look like. Alrighty, so I'm not taking them apart just yet. And then the last thing I got at the tree was some computer paper in different colors. So yeah, I use this to make my journal pages sometimes when I'm making my junk journals. I'll spray this and ink this and like coffee dye it and all the things. So I got 2 of those because I hardly ever see the colored copy paper. They always have white, but I thought, well, I'll just get 2, so I'll have at least 60 sheets. All right, so that's what I got at the Dollar Tree. Now let's go ahead and stick our little coupon holder. I'm gonna make it like a sticker holder or ephemera holder or something like that. All right, let's see if we can just take this off. I like it that we could take that off pretty easily. And what I did was in the last, I may have to have another, well, let me see here. Let me see, y'all. Hold on. Just a second. I was trying to find a, well, I guess you can always just slip it in. Oh, but you know what? You have to have it closed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have another thingy here. And I think I want to put it up here in the front. Like right here. Okay. So what I'm going to do is just take my little string here. Alrighty. and put it around, if I can do that, without destroying it. Okay. I have another one in another journal downstairs. So, you know, I'm going to see how I did that one and then just kind of redo it. But for the purpose of this video, this is what we're going to do. Alrighty. So I put it in there. And now it's there. And it fits perfectly in like an A5 size. So, you know, you can close it up. If it'll close, it usually does. Oh, well, if I can close it. There we go. Alrighty. And then here. There we go. So nice and, you know, tucked in there. Alright. Now that's kind of stuffed, but, you know, I don't mind that. Alright. So, yeah, if you need like some stationery on a budget, then Dollar Tree is your place. Alright. So I just wanted to share that with you. And yeah, it fits great. You know, I'm going to have to, again, I think I have to adjust it just a teeny bit, but yeah, fits great. So I can put my stickers in there and, you know, important whatever's or whatever, you know, use it just like an extra pocket. All right. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching it. I will see you in the next one. Bye.